Hello and welcome to Carigar. I hope that you liked our video that we had made on earlier products. Today we are here to showcase about the various marble cutters that Carigar has to offer. So we have three with us. One is CM4SA, CM4SB and 5S CM5. Now as CM4SA and CM4SB, this 4 signifies the diameter or the width. Now for example, in CM4SA and CM4SB, we'll be using either a TCP blade 4 inch or a segmented blade 4 inch. Now these two blades are from Carigar and they come from 7-star series. We have 5-star series and Superstar series as well. So we will get into the blades later on and the accessories. First we will get into the technical specifications of what we have to offer at this point of time. So let's start off with CM4SA and let's keep both of these beautiful products on the side. Now let's start with this unboxing. So before that, let's look at how the box has been made. The box is nice, sturdy, good colors, black and orange of Carigar, and you can see the specifications over here. So you can see, yes, the output is 1050 watts and the RPM is 13,000. So that is more or less about the specifications of this particular product, CM4SA. So let's unbox it without wasting any time further. I will always start from the manual. Well, at Carigar we believe that understanding about the product and safety is important. This manual will give you the details about what is the do's and what shouldn't be done. Number one, the technical specification of the machine, different parts about the machine. This is more or less what is being covered in the user manual. So what else do we have in this box? Yes, we will go back to the machine, but before that let's see what else do we have. So every Carigar marble cutter CM4SA would be getting this particular kit. You will have your tool, one more of it for the nut, carbon brushes, water pipe, the attachment to it along with other attachments. So this is what every product will get. So let's keep it over here. Now let's take out the product. It's a pretty heavy marble cutter, pretty sturdy. It's a well-built machine. You can have a look at it. It has got a good sturdy steel plate. Now with this you can see the depth. Unlock it. This is the power switch, continuous on and off. Ergonomically pretty nice, sturdy and well balanced machine. So this is what do we have about CM4SA, and we will unbox both the models over there. So let's keep this thing inside the box at this point of time. We'll keep the user manual here because it is more or less the same in all the models. So I'll keep this thing aside along with the blade, and I'll unbox the CM4SB for you. the user manual and the kit as it was in the earlier model. Now, here is our machine CM4SB. Now, if you look at it, it looks the same. The functionality, if you look at it, everything is the same. What is different? Yes, the output is different. This is 1240 watts. Now, the same can be seen over here. So, the specs are different with this particular model. If you look at a CM4SA, that can be used more towards dry cutting, and more TCT blades can be used in that particular aspect. It can be used for other things such as concrete, marble, stone, and this particular machine can be used for it as well. Now I will quickly take these things inside and we will unbox the last and the third machine, 5S CM5. Now the blade would be of 5 inches. It's a bigger machine. It is used to cut pipes as well. And, this is the product. Now, what else is there in this product? Now, you can see the knob over here. Now, you can open this knob and you can tilt it for the angle of 45 degrees, and this is similar in the other marble cutters that we had seen. So, this is about this particular 5-inch model, 5S CM5. So, this was the unboxing video for all these 3 products at Carigar, and thank you so much for watching it. And we will be making a video next release soon. So stay tuned in, and thank you very much.